According to the New York Attorney General, Donald Trump is no longer in contempt. It's obvious that Donald Trump will no longer be mocked in court for not respecting a subpoena. New York General test into the former U.S. president's strategic approaches, State Attorney General Letitia James said on Tuesday. In a writ filed in a New York State court in Manhattan, James' counsel said that the recorded oaths taken by Trump Organization officials appeared appropriate to support a defiance motion. The leadership of the respondent must rely on current representatives to provide expected data, the letter reads. We are willing to agree that the oaths are consistent with the structure of the court, as it is not apparent what the defendant and his attorney may be independently asked to do. Alina Habba, Trump's legal advisor, did not immediately respond to a request for information. The letter also revived James' interest in Trump's record-keeping arrangements, citing the apparent lack of financial reports he should have that could give an idea of what his organizations are worth. Fairness Arthur and Goron, who found Trump hateful, will decide whether to quash this request. For more than 3 years, James has been researching the Trump Organization, which oversees lodges, greens, and other lands around the planet. The chief legal officer said their test found evidence that the organization overvalued assets to acquire large loans and undervalued assets to obtain tax breaks. Trump and 2 of his adult children, Donald Trump Jr. and Ivanka Trump, agreed to testify after swearing an oath to tell the truth starting July 15 after failing to bring down 2 state courts persuade them to drop their testimony. Trump, a Republican, has called the James test a politically motivated witch hunt. James is a registered Democrat.